What's going on, everyone, and today I'm making a quick tutorial on how you get your Phasmophobia save file and possibly any other save file that you never knew where it was located. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do it. So there's two ways of getting the save file. One is going into your file explorer, go to your documents, and look for there's a way of unhiding hidden items. You can click on that and it should show up app data, but it didn't in this case for some reason. There's a way of making it show up here. It's definitely in documents, but also your other place for like a game like Starfield or just any game could be in here. But for games like Starfield, on Core it will be in here. You see you have all this, you get your saves, and here's all your save files for Starfield and all. Core is also another game saved, blah blah blah, blah, you know. But and then the main way people will find their save files for like Phasmophobia especially is by holding the Windows key and pressing OR at the same time. So hold your Windows key and press OR on your keyboard, and then it will bring up a box that says run. You can type in MRT and app data. They're the main things you use this for, and something else, I forget the name of it. So type in app data, and if you already have it in, that's perfect. Click OK here, and I think if you click browse it will bring you to the thing. Oh, I was wrong actually. You go to this PC users documents, and it should have app data there. I thought it was in documents, just on the file explorer. So what you want to do from here, you'll see these three options: local, local low, and roaming. Click on the second one, local low, kinetic games, sorry, and you'll see Phasmophobia. Once you're in here, you'll see your save file, which should be save file, txt, or text document, whichever way you have your like file explorer laid out. And what you basically need to do to actually get into it properly, once you click on it, you'll see it's like a bunch of words you can't even read, but there's a solution to getting inside of the save file properly, and it's an app called, or it's a software called PH Save Editor, Phasmophobia Save Editor. You can get it on GitHub. It's in one of the videos on YouTube. Search up how to get unlimited items in Phasmophobia. It should pop up hopefully, but I'll try and link it in the description if I can. So basically what you want to do once you have it downloaded, pause the video if needed. You basically want to just click decrypt, go to your app data, it should already pop up anyway. So click on the save file in your Phasmophobia, click open, and it will say successfully decrypted save file or something. Now you can basically minimize this or just bring it over to the side for a sec, and now you'll see it as decrypted. So what we're gonna do is you can basically copy and paste the save file. I'm gonna copy it just for safety reasons, but also it will give you an option in game to reset the whole thing if anything goes wrong. Now just keep in mind, it does happen. It has happened to me once and I had to reset the whole save file. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and delete it now since you've copied it. I would suggest putting it into your desktop or some safe folder that you know where it is. Now what you can do is go into the decrypted save file, and once you open it, as you can see, everything is in English now. So players money, blah blah blah, is all 0, and you can read it now. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my money as let's just say $200,000. Okay, so 200,000. Alright, and once you've done that, you can also, a quick way is going to edit and clicking find, which is also Control F. Just hold Control and click F and you can search it. Level, we're going to search up level here, and this is going to be your level. It used to be called just level, it's called new level now. Prestige is also I think some of this was changed to different names because I think it was called some other stuff in the past. But anyways, just keep in mind once you go a bit above where you should. If you go above prestige 20, they'll know you're hacking or you're cheating, so you won't be able to play public matches anymore if you go above 20, or if you just make it really obvious. Don't be stupid and make it look so obvious that you're cheating or hacking. So basically just don't go above and beyond of what you actually want to, because once you try to play multiplayer it will say hacker detected and it will kick you out. So basically I suggest just clicking or making the prestige 20 or lower. A new level, you can basically put this as anything less than a million, obviously, or yeah, anything less than a million should be fine. If you go above a million, I'm sure it will say you're a hacker or something. I'm gonna say my level is going to be 100,000. Here we go. Let's do 100,000 here. And once you've done this, you've pretty got the main essentials changed that you would want to change in this scenario, I'd say. For someone who's just looking to change your tiers, that can kind of cause difficulty within the item manager and stuff. It has happened. It will say missing key localization, all that stuff, and realistically there isn't a problem. It's just not work. It just doesn't work after you do it. So personally I wouldn't mess with the tiers inside this, because it will cause problems in game. And also if a problem does occur, either copy and paste the original save file and onto your desktop, or reset the save file within the game and just do everything again. But once you've done everything, you've changed everything you want, you can click file up at the top left, click save, not save as. So just do it again to make sure. Save. You can close it now. Open back up or get back up the save editor here, and you're going to want to click encrypt this time. Click decrypted save file and it will say encrypted successfully. Now you can minimize this or close it, whatever you want. Now we can go ahead and delete the save file, the decrypted one. Now we're going to rename the encrypted one to save file exactly like I type it, or else it probably won't work. So just do capital S save and capital, oh actually I named it wrong there. Just always double check just in case, because little things like this can happen. Alright, so now that we've done it, now we can go ahead and minimize or close our app data here. And we can just bring this over to our downloads important stuff over here. And now you can run Phasmophobia. And I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it did, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if considered, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial.